Hello everyone, what's up? Today I shall be designing a robot which can balance on 2 wheels, so let's start. Okay, let's open a new part. And select the front plane and click on the sketch. Now select the center rectangle and draw a rectangle, and using the dimensions tool give a 140 mm as length and 90 mm as height. Now using the sketch fillet tool, round all the edge of the rectangle with a radius of 15 mm. After that, draw a circle on the center of the rounded edge with a radius of 8 mm. Then using the line tool with for construction and midpoint selected, draw a horizontal and vertical line which can be used for mirroring drawings. Now select the circle and click on the Mirror Entities tool and select the vertical construction line. Do the same and mirror the 2 circle using the horizontal line. Let's now draw a center rectangle. And trim the outer with the Trim Entities tool and give a dimension of 40 mm, which is equal to NEMA's 17 stepper motor. Select the rectangle and mirror it to the other side. Draw 2 circle as close to the NEMA's 17 stepper motor and mirror it to all the corner. So now we are done with the sketch part. Now let's move on to the 3D modeling features tab. Select the sketch in the left sidebar and then select Extrude Boss or Base tool on top from the Features tab. Now give 4 mm as thickness of the material. Now we need to make a 8 mm rod. Create a new assembly file and insert all the parts we made. Using the Mate tool from Assembly tab on top. Now select the face of the rod and the inner face of the base plate. Now create a copy of the base plate by clicking on Control button and dragging out with mouse and using Mate tool. And mate the part with a distance of 40 mm. Now I shall fast forward the mate process.